Hello everyone, this is Gardening for Better Health and my name is Henry B 723. I'm coming to you today. It's September the 19th. It's a beautiful fall day here in Michigan and I wanted to say hello to everyone and to address a couple things that I have been getting from my viewers. One of them is my viewers have been asking me, Henry B, when are you going to get some merchandise available for us to purchase so that we can support your channel? Well, it's finally happened. I have some new merchandise. This is one of them. I call this one Mr. Carrot, and there are a lot of other ones to choose from. The website where you can get my merchandise is gardeningapparelplus.com. That's where the merchandise for my channel can be found and purchased. There are lovely items that are on that site, so if you'd like to support our channel and buy some of our merchandise, that's where you would find it. Please support us if you can. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we have a new video. Well, today I wanted to bring you along because I am going to check on the Sugar Baby watermelon that you guys saw me plant a couple months ago. I think they're ready. Let's check them out and see if there's anything that I can actually harvest today. I'm going to bring you down so that you can see. These are the two pots that I planted in my other video. Let's go over here closer so that you can get a better look at what's happening in these pots. Okay, so they've grown quite a bit. This pot has a really nice size watermelon in it. I'm going to take this off so that I can get inside and actually see if we can harvest the one that's inside. I'm going to have to be careful because the tendrils to these plants are wrapped around this and I don't want to break the tendrils. So I'm being very careful as I take this off so that I don't damage the plant. So it is not an easy task. I left this crochet on because I have a very active squirrel and other animal situation going on here. So the only way to get them to leave it alone was to cover it up. So that's what I did. And I'm going to check this now. I see a really nice size one sitting on the bottom of this container. So let's take a peek and see what we've got here. All right. The tag in here says that the Sugar Baby watermelon were planted July the 19th. So check my other videos. There is one that's right around July 19th that's available on my YouTube channel, and you'll be able to see when I actually planted these because I took you along for that as well. But right now, what I have, and I didn't even have to cut it, this is a very nice Sugar Baby watermelon. I'm going to bring it over so you can see it. That's about as large as the Sugar Babies get because they are actually a one-person sized watermelon, and they grow very well in pots rather than having to plant it in the ground like the larger watermelons that you see. So this one is ready, and I actually see a tooth mark. Look at that right there. A tooth mark where something actually did get a chance to bite it. I don't know how it got in and got out, but that's what that looks like. But it's not going to affect the overall quality of this watermelon. So We're gonna take a look at the rest of them. I don't think they're any more ready, but let's take a peek and see what we've got down here. We've got a couple of baby ones. I don't know if you can see this one. It's a baby one. Oop, and I knocked it off by mistake. We're going to cover this back up so that I don't accidentally knock any more off. And I'm going to bring you closer so that you can see the little watermelons. This is the one that fell off. It was so little and cute. I'm sad that I actually broke it. This one is growing well. And there are some other ones that are growing on here too, but nothing else that's close to being able to harvest. These vines over here are kind of losing their vigor. This one actually still has flowers on it, so I may get something still from this one, but it's getting late in the season and I don't know about them being able to actually produce anymore this year because it's already September. So I got one. I'm happy to be able to have one off of here. I never know what I'm gonna get. I'm happy for whatever I actually harvest because nothing is promised. So if I don't have high expectations, whatever I get is a bonus, and I'm happy with that. Let's take a look at the second one over here. There's a second one. Let's go over here and look at this one to see how it's coming along. There's small ones on this one. Don't know if you can see this one. Here's a nice size one right here. If you can see it. And then there's other small ones. I'm gonna bring you around so you can see. So excuse the movement of the camera, but I want you to be able to see what I see when I'm looking at this Sugar Baby watermelon. Can you see this one any better? Yeah, that's better. It's coming along. This is a much smaller one. There's this one that's growing in the bag. So there are a few on here. They may make it to maturity, but we will see. There's no large one on the bottom of this like there was on the other one, but the smaller ones are there. I still have some that are flowering that are still trying to make it. So we'll see how long this one hangs on. Yeah, I don't see anything in there. But at least we did get the one nice size one. And I'm going to take that one over in the house and have it for dinner, because I'm glad to get one, even if the rest of them are not ready. So this is Henry B 723. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Come back again soon and see what else we have going on here. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.